Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to integrate your iContact autoresponder with the ViralPLR product. The first step is to click on step number 1, click here to set global settings. Next, in the area where it says your personal autoresponder type, simply select iContact from the list. You'll now see a new field here called your iContact client ID. To retrieve it, you need to log into your iContact account. Here I am logged into my iContact account. This is the main home page. The first thing you want to do is create a new list. I would recommend you create a new list for every ViralPLR product that you own. That way you can segment your list and broadcast any emails in the future to a particular list. So where it says contact list, look for an option called actions. Click on that and you'll see an option called create list. First, give your list a name. I would recommend using a meaningful name, such as the product that you're building a list for. In my case, I'm going to use this one here, Rapid Traffic Secrets. So in here, I've inserted Rapid Traffic Secrets as my list name. You can also give a description for your list, and there's an option to send email notifications when contacts are added to your list. You can enable it or disable it if you like. And number 2, enter your public list label. You can simply just leave this enabled, use list name as public list label. So it'll basically use your list name as a public list label. Next, you just simply click save, and then you'll be taken to a page where it says my list. So next, what you want to do is go to sign up forms. This should be under contacts. Click on sign up forms, and now let's create a new HTML form. Just as a note, a new HTML form should be created for every new product, if that's the route you're taking. Otherwise, if you're simply just building one list, then you only need one form. We can ignore all this styling here and click next. Give your sign up form a name for your reference. I've simply inserted the product name, Rapid Traffic Secrets. Next, choose a list to add or invite contacts to. And I'm going to just simply select the one that I just created, Rapid Traffic Secrets. Scrolling down, you've got choose fields. What you want to do is make sure that you have first name enabled as well. Everything else can be ignored. Once that's done, click on save. And now we can view HTML for the particular HTML form that we created. And now you've got two areas here, two boxes. You've got automatic sign up form and manual sign up form. What you want to look at is the manual sign up form. So going back to the product access page, and in the global settings, the field asks for the client ID. So that's what we need to retrieve first. To retrieve it, it should be the manual sign up form. You can make the box here bigger, just to make it easier for you to see. And if you scroll down, you'll find here input type hidden name client ID. That's what we want. And anything in the quotation marks here, which is the ID, that's what you want to copy and paste into ViralPLR. So I'm going to copy that ID in between the quotation marks, go back to the global settings area here and pasting the ID. Once that's done, you can click on save global settings. Next, if you go to change settings, there are more options you need to fill. You'll see 3 fields here which you need to fill in. Your iContact list ID, your iContact form ID, and your iContact special ID value. To retrieve it, simply look back at that form, and the first thing you want to copy is the list ID as shown here, and anything in the quotation marks, that's the ID you want to copy. And go back to ViralPLR here in the change settings area, pasting the list ID right there. And next is the form ID. The form ID is here, as you can see, form ID. Value is anything in between the quotation marks again. And I'm just going to copy that and paste it into this form ID field. And lastly, we've got special ID value. The special ID value might be a little tricky, so don't get confused with the special ID and the numbers that are after the special ID. What you want is what's inserted into the value area here. So I'm going to copy whatever's in the quotation marks where the value is. Go back to the change settings area here and pasting the special ID value. Once that's all done and confirmed, just double check with your sign up form, making sure that everything matches. Once you're confident that everything's right, you can scroll down and click Save Settings. And now that's all done. So that concludes a video on how to integrate iContact with the ViralPLR product.